Hello, in this video I'm going to share how you can track your buttons from your website. In this video I'm share the example of order via WhatsApp button. If you want to track buy now button or WhatsApp button, my method is similar for these both buttons. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go on goals and click on conversion, then summary. Here, this is the button create conversion action. Just click on that, and here what you have to do is just click on conversion on a website, and then what you have to do is just click on, suppose if you want to make it contact or booking or whatsoever, just click on that, create a conversion, click on manual. Here, if you want to make it primary, then make it primary. Otherwise, you can make it secondary. It also give a name, contact, WhatsApp test, and here you have to make it every click because it's a e-commerce website, so every sale matters. So just click on done and click on save and continue. Here there is a three options: set up with the Google tag, email instruction to your webmaster, and use tag manager. So we will go with this method. So first of all, what you have to do is just go there. Make sure you have to just copy this. Don't close this. Uh, Go there. Click on variable. Here, what you have to do is you have to add this click ID or click text. Click text. Variable, you have to add this. Just how you can do this, just click on configure and just enable it from here, and next go to the tags, click on new tag, click on Google Ads conversion. Here you have to enter your conversion ID. Also, if you have created this ID as a constant, you have to just click on that, and after that just copy it, label and paste it there. This is connected. Just click on all pages and just name this WhatsApp test conversions pose 1 and just save it. So after that you have to create another, click on this, because after that you have to create the conversion linker tag. So now we will create this conversion linker tag, enable this, click on, and here what you have to do is you have to click there and you have to click all the elements. Here you have click on some, mark this option some clicks, and you have to check out the click text button equals to, uh, here we will put what's the name of our, what's the basically text in our button. You can just copy it and just paste it there. So after that just save it. I can make it test order via WhatsApp. So this is a conversion linker as well. Uh, Test conversion linker. Just save it. After that, you have to submit all the changes. Just make it WhatsApp test. Just publish it. Once you are done this, what you have to do is just go back and just click on the preview. Here you have to enter your domain name, click on contact, and one more thing, we do not finish this. Once we finish in contact, here is a WhatsApp. This tag we have created right now. So what we will do is we will go there, click here, click on WhatsApp, continue, and now you will see here is tag is fired conversion WhatsApp test conversion 1, WhatsApp test, both are fired. I have just created this for the testing purpose. So our conversion and tag is fired successfully. Thank you so much.